Welcome everyone to my new price prediction video presentation for the sandbox cryptocurrency for December 2023. We're looking for discovering what's happening with this crypto from the most rational standpoint possible. If you guys remember, in the last bull market, the sandbox was surprisingly great. It was an amazing crypto to participate with, and I'm sure it is not gonna disappoint even during these times. We already see this one starting to increase. It is up by 12.75% for the past 24 hours, and it's not about this little percentages out there, but it's most likely how does the charts and the market structure looks like, which allows to continue or pretty much stops everything. We'll have to discover in a couple of moments, not before. For those of you that enjoy these videos, make sure to check out my YouTube channel. We also have a video series of 100 videos of price predictions for 2024. 100 different cryptocurrencies. We're doing a comprehensive technical analysis, and then you can check that as well. We also have my trading going on for those of you that would like to be part of my trades, copy my trades, and participate in the done for you trading. There's trading going on that you can participate. Like I said, no prior fee, only commission from the profits made. This is our performance, and you will be able to see more details on our page. As well, I'm going to talk about these things at the end of the video, including around the coaching program. One-on-one coaching with me, where I'm teaching you as a mentor how to become a trader from A to Z. For anyone that is looking for preparing the weapons on the upcoming bull market, get ready in the most efficient way possible. Schedule up yourself a free conversation with me on Calendly to find out more, and I'm going to talk about these things very soon at the end of the video. What's going on with the sandbox? Well, definitely not bad things, and on the other side, I do enjoy to see that we are actually recovering towards the right direction, which means that at the moment, in the way things are portrayed, sandbox has been decreasing quite a lot during its accumulation stage, which was not a type of accumulation of range, but most likely a slight downtrend. The reason for that is community has been losing their confidence level constantly and organically by looking at the price action, which is obviously the wrong way to consider a participation in a cryptocurrency for long term. You cannot stick around the price section as the ultimate and the most important detail when you talk about a long term. Long term means obviously in this case scenario, as I'm referring to in this context, at least 5 years. So these guys that were in this category started to sell instead of us holding the accumulation stage above the orange line that we have right there. This orange line, right? It's around 70 cents. 70 cents should have been the low, or the lowest point we were supposed to go. We did not. We have crashed below that. We're trying to climb back upwards, but then again we crashed below, and then the whole level acted as a resistance against us, especially that we were under the unshort volume weighted average price medium line, the blue line right there. So we were under that, we were under the supply, and we kept on pressure the whole market of the sandbox. Then things have been pretty much into the ultimate stage right there. This is exactly August, September, October, how the markets are looking before they're starting to run. Completely dead. What we have there in that rectangle at the bottom is a demand level, a beautiful level for accumulation. Times that are no longer going to be discovered for years and years. This is how it was before the previous bull market as well. We were touching a level of market that had a specific behavior on the price action, indicators, on-chain activity, as well as you had a series of patterns appearing right there that were confirming the market right now is during its last moments of losing faith type of a cycle, going into the next one, advancing. You know, this is the beauty of the crypto space, especially when it comes down to the trading side, that none of the stages are permanently going to be turned on, and they at some point turn off, right? So they turn off, and the next one appears. So there is the continuous language and template appearing in the space of crypto from a cycle to the other in a beautiful way. People think this is not existent. If there is a direction right now under pressure, then this is what's going to dominate for the entire next period of time, which is wrong, which is definitely wrong, because we're actually looking at a market of cycles with a continuous type of activity and behavior, which has to be respected. Now, after a such stage, it is mandatory because of the nature of the market of continuity to continue, right? And this is what it happened. We were taking off. Beautiful. 97% in 52 days. Not disappointing. Yet still under heavy pressure, folks. So we need to get above the first orange line. Number one target. Get above that, and you're going to speak about the upper side of the cloud of the anchored volume weighted average price as well. Plus, you're going to speak about, for the very moment, towards a pre-bull market stage, because as of right now you're still deep down into the accumulation period, which has obviously moved out of the extreme accumulation rectangle, but you are still, as an overall approach, without breaking above the 70 cents as the price section represents, you are not in a pre-bull market rally. The entire crypto space is in the pre-bull market rally, but the sandbox, as from the price section side, is not. It will be, and I'm sure during the time it starts catching volume, you might not even have yourself time enough to, sufficient time to react. Usually the sandbox crypto it blows out 60-70% in a day. You don't have a time to react on that. Now, what's happening above? Well, I care about this thing in December. Like, I want to touch that, the dollar mark. We successfully touched the dollar mark in December, that we're going to have a bright early 2024, talking about much higher levels. But for the moment, I definitely would like to touch those levels, $1, $1.10, along the way with something very important. Right before that, there's not many days left of December. Of course, there is about 20 days or so. And as fast as possible within the next week, 10 days, we must attach and attack the 70-72 cents horizontal range. That would be a major necessity. Break out of it, come back to it, and attack basically the top. If we successfully attack the top right there and we prove the community, we've been able to print during this rally a movement of 277%, we are on the right page. Earlier today, I made a video about immutable cryptocurrency, which is exactly did that kind of a thing, printed around 280%. It already printed that percentage, which is the big difference right here compared to the sandbox. Yeah, nothing to complain or cry about, folks. We just started to go with sandbox, and the idea is that cryptos are moving in a delayed type of market structure behavior. So you're not going to see the volume of the market makers and whales to be distributed in all the cryptos. Usually they pick up based on categories, and they implement the volume and move cryptos in categories by making money there, taking it out, moving it to the next one, and keep going in like that by taking the whole space to the higher and higher levels. So we are actually in a way of acting that is beautiful in terms of a market bullish rally, because you don't have the cryptos connected to each other, and this is a great fact. This is how it is during these market sectors. If it wouldn't be like that, then we would not have increases like this. So this is something you definitely want to keep in mind. That's it for December. This crypto is going to be added into the 100 episodes for 2024 predictions as well. So make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the like of this video, and let me know any questions in the comments area. By the way, once again, if you would like to be part of my trades, feel free to check out. There's two options available. One, no prior fee, only commission from profits made. The other option has a prior fee, and you execute a trade by yourself as a signal base. So then the coaching program, well, first of all, you need to watch this video, which is a complete video and explaining to you how does it work. Then you can register now for more information, as well understand the fact that this is a coaching program dedicated only for serious people. So if you really want to have a financial impact on your life by becoming financial free and running sort of away in an activity that is not easy to become a trader, when we talk about part-time or full-time, is definitely not easy, but it's the right moment before the bull market starts. Even during the bull market, it's great because there's times to make money. I mean, bull market is not an activity and a period of time and a cycle that is lasting 2 or 3 months. It's definitely lasting more than a year. So there is great moments even during such cycles, but whoever prepares earlier will have the ability to take the shots from the very moments, and this is where the big money is made, due to the fact that if you lose the cheap prices of certain cryptocurrencies or the great trades or the accumulation parts, you're going to miss out big time. So that's it all on the topic, folks. Once again, for those of you that would like to participate, you have all the resources in the description area. You have all the links in the comments area for everything. Enjoy and have a good time.